Good Thursday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Zurich visiting with ag meteorologist Chris Sramek at Decision Weather Natwood, as well as WeatherValet. Chris, a little cooler with chances for precipitation once again later on today and tonight.
Yeah, Joe, we got a situation that's similar to yesterday where we've got a low pressure that's going to come over the Rockies later this afternoon. You have storms firing along the front range, and the biggest question will be, will they hold together as they cross that Colorado border and enter the later evening periods when the sunshine is not there to keep them fueled. We got dew points again this morning that are in the 60s along Highway 25. You got a 60 in Scott City. You got a 65 in Oakley. You get up to Oberlin. You actually got a 70 and 63 in McCook. You get along the Colorado line. They start going into the 50s, and all of eastern Colorado is in those middle to upper 50s. So the threat is there still with that disturbance coming. They're going with it has been upgraded to a slight risk by the Severe Storm Center. We'll watch this afternoon if it doesn't even get put into the next category yet. But right now they're looking at 1 3/4 inch hail up to 2 inch. And those wind gusts on that Bow Echo line, they're looking at a line again up to 75 miles an hour. So it's not quite as strong as yesterday, but again, it's in there. If those storms hold together, we could have a warning or two and also pick up a half inch of moisture. That activity last night came across. We did have one warning with it in Cheyenne and Sherman County. Put down some pretty decent rain over there to the west of upwards a half inch to an inch. It kind of went across northern Rollins County and then dissipated as it moved off to the east. But places in the northern parts of the county could have got a quarter to almost a half inch if you're up there snug in the northwest corner. Overnight tonight, we'll see this stuff move out of here by 2, 3 a.m. Off to the east, it'll be falling apart. Overnight lows will be anywhere from the upper 50s out in Colorado to middle 60s there to the east, where the rain will come in and ended clouds hold overnight. And then tomorrow we're going to have another system that'll come from the west. It'll go south of I-70 with some chances for showers and storms. Temperature-wise, we'll be dropping into the lower 90s, upper 80s again. Overnight lows will be in the middle 60s. And Saturdays, when we start to see the warm-up, high pressure starts moving in. We'll go to high temperatures in the middle 90s, going into the upper 90s for Sunday, Monday. Triple-digit readings on Tuesday and Wednesday. And that's when we're going to, early next week, we're going to have to be worrying about the heat indices going into the 100 and 105-degree range. Start worrying about hydration, the animals outdoors, and all the heat-related issues with that, while overnight low temperatures go into the upper 60s and low 70s.
All right, once again, that's ag meteorologist Chris Sramek at Decision Weather Natwood, as well as WeatherValet. For KYVZ Radio, I'm Joe Zurich.